Hey guys, I think this is the start of a new vlog. My hair is looking a little crazy and frizzy. I wanted to go natural today. I haven't gone natural like this with makeup on in a really long time. I used to do it all the time. I noticed it when I was going back through some of my thumbnails 2 houses ago, and I don't know, just, letting my hair take a break from all the heat. Got my usual hat on. I just love hats. I don't know. Guess it's a real thing for me. I wanted to be a little bit more bronzed today. It's looking a little weird on this camera, but I might need to tone my nose down a little bit. But I'm hoping I'm gonna get some vlog clips for you guys today. I'm actually going to go see my niece. I was actually supposed to not be here this weekend. I was supposed to go see my daughter. And then some last minute changes. I'm gonna go at a different time. So I'm gonna go ahead and go see my niece because I haven't seen her since my brother came over with her while my daughter was still here when I first moved into this house. So it's only been like a week or so, but I was only around her for a couple minutes and that's just not long enough for me. So I'm gonna go see her today. And I just finished filming a Dollar Tree haul, finished editing a vlog, so 2 videos are going up today. I feel very, very accomplished because lately I've just been in a really weird funk. I've talked about it, haven't really had much of a drive or desire to do anything. I don't know. Let me fix my face a little bit here. Not that we're gonna solve all of my problems, but I'm really loving being this bronzy. So yeah, so that's what's been going down this morning. I am doing an update to Netflix on my TV. I still have no furniture. It doesn't come until Wednesday. So it's Saturday today, and so I still have about 4 more days. 5, if you count today, 5 more days to go. So I still have my air mattress out, but I need to drink more water. That's something that I've been seriously lacking. It's making my skin look super dry and my under eyes to be feeling a little bit more cakey with makeup, and I know that it's a hydration issue. I've been into a lot of new shows, which is completely out of my character. I typically will rewatch the same thing over and over, but I have been watching some amazing Netflix shows. Love is Blind, hooked on that. Jessica's totally stringing Mark along. I think that I think she really can't be with Mark. I don't think she's attracted to him at all. I don't know if she either is just trying to make it happen or if at this point she's just thinking maybe I should just go through the whole show and get some airtime. I don't know. I'm obviously not in her head, so I can't like speak for her. But it's just very bizarre because you can completely tell that she's just like not into him. But when she's in a good mood, she seems to be more like flirty. I don't know if that makes any sense. Anyway, Love is Blind is so good. And another one that kills me. It is so hilarious. I double over, and it's called Schitt's Creek. And it was actually like a Canadian-based show that was aired on TV, not Netflix. But then Netflix started putting it up after they released a couple seasons, and that's how it got big. Because I guess it wasn't here in the US TV. I really don't know. But this family is hilarious. They're the best, and they're actually ending their final season in season 6, which hasn't come out on Netflix yet. And I just hope that if we all watch it and it gets all of these views, that they'll just bring back the show. But anyway, so those are my 2 recommendations. I had a third one that I just talked about. Oh, Lock and Key. Lock and Key is so good. So it's been really weird for me that I've been watching TV shows and episodes that I don't normally do unless it's I Love Lucy, Frasier, or Golden Girls. So anyway, may not seem like much, or in Star Trek Voyager. Anyway, I feel like I'm just babbling at this point. I'll see you in the next clip. My new candle burning from Kroger's, the Soothing Eucalyptus, and I found the other decorative piece, the 2 apples, but I don't know if you can see it like I can see it. But this color just, I don't know, it doesn't make sense. I know that this kitchen's absolutely beautiful, and the thought of completely changing it from its original build structure is gonna really be a tough thing to swallow. but it's just not my taste at all. It's not my style, and it's not gonna go with anything, so I'm definitely gonna have to do some kitchen remodeling in the future. Probably, if I'm being honest with myself, it's probably gonna be next year. But you know what? It's still gonna give me time to kind of get my kitchen table. There's Loxie, she loves her kennel. Again, it's still in here temporarily. It's actually gonna go upstairs, but yeah, so it'll give me time to get, you know, my kitchen table in here, which is going to be like a dark wood and cream, and kind of get everything up anyway. I'm still going to decorate it, even though it's going to be kind of clashy, but it'll give me time to just see. But anyway, I still think that it's not something I 100% love, and I would definitely want to update it in the future. So there's that. I just made a sandwich, and you can see I already took a bite before I wanted to share this with you guys. I'm trying out this new bread right here, the thick white sliced. I love it. It is so good. I know I just took one bite, but the smell of it smells great. It's super fresh. And I did the tomato, lettuce, turkey, cheese, and mayo. It's my favorite combination. Comment down below, let me know your sandwiches, because I would really love to try new stuff. Tell me exactly what cheese you use, dressings, and all of that in the description box or in the comments box below.
How to fight 6 men. You can teach them how to engage 600. You know how to disappear.